My name is Liane Kimia, and I am Group 11's Head of Business Development and Value Creation. Value creation covers a broad range of post-investment support and business development services that are offered to our portfolio companies. In today's market, competition between various funds has grown as startups have gained easier access to capital. This requires VC firms to make themselves stand out by offering startups opportunities and support beyond the dollar. Thanks to our reputation of being hands-on, value-add investors, category-defining startups are choosing to partner with us. There are 3 support areas that we focus on to bring value to our investments and help them succeed. The first is introductions to potential clients and customers. I work closely with our B2B-facing portfolio companies to introduce and connect them to potential clients and customers that will drive their revenues and bottom line. Here's just a sample of companies that we've helped influence and introduce to our portfolio companies that are their customers today. To date, our efforts have yielded millions of dollars in additional revenues for our portfolio companies. We're proud that their account executives know to come to Group 11 when they need help getting their foot in the door with decision makers or connect with C-suite level executives at prospective companies. The second way we bring value to our portfolio companies is through introduction to investors. At Group 11, we aspire to lead in most financing rounds. In many of the deals that we have led, we've invited Tier 1 funds and institutional investors to join us in syndicates. In other times, venture capitalists have chosen to follow our lead. This assures that our portfolio companies are well capitalized and supported by other astute and growth-minded investors who will be there not just when times are easy, but when times are difficult. In this slide, you can see a sample of some institutional investors and prominent VC firms who joined us in recent deals. We also make it a habit to invite seasoned C-suite executives that are part of our network to invest alongside us in some of our early-stage portfolio companies. These individuals are not only bringing capital to the table, but they also bring their operational expertise and personal network, which will help our early-stage startups grow into category-defining companies. Through these introductions, we have brought on hundreds of millions of dollars to our portfolio companies. And lastly, we help our portfolio companies with recruiting top talent through introductions, marketing campaigns, and even commercials. Recruitment is one of the biggest challenges facing fast-growing startups today as they compete for the best, so we focus on campaigns to help amplify our portfolio companies. As an example, we recently led a national campaign to help many of our portfolio companies with R&D centers in Israel recruit talent. We launched a digital and billboard campaign under the message, "We work with the best, you can too," and placed billboards all throughout Israel. The outcome of this particular campaign led to a tremendous increase in job applications and a stronger sense of pride among the teams of our portfolio companies. This campaign further solidified Group 11's role as a venture capital firm that adds value and goes above and beyond for the portfolio companies to do what it can to help. At Group 11, our subject matter expertise in fintech, our value creation activities, our network, and our brand are what sets us apart from the competition. We monitor our efforts and use these KPIs to measure how effectively we're helping our companies. This ultimately influences the decision of a founder when he or she must decide which VC firm they want to work with. Furthermore, through our dedicated efforts, we build stronger relationships with our current founders. And this is why our value creation activity is important.